Good morning, everyone. This is your weather hazard briefing for Friday, September 12th. The pattern is going to remain cool and unsettled through at least Saturday, so we'll see a continuation of those daily chances for isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms over the next couple days, with daytime highs running several degrees below normal. And then another low is expected to reach Idaho late Sunday into Monday. So Sunday's looking like a relatively quiet day for much of the area in between systems with near normal temperatures. And the cool and active pattern is going to resume Monday and Tuesday as that next system shifts through. Our weather risk outlook, as you can see, pretty full of slight chances for showers and thunderstorms. It's just going to depend where those best chances are as both systems start to move through the area. So today, best chances are going to be in the Central Mountains yet again. And activity is going to stay out of the Snake Plain and Eastern Magic Valley. Very, very slight chances for activity there. And tomorrow, a little bit of an increase in chances area-wide. And then Sunday, kind of that in-between day as a transient ridge shifts overhead. So further north, we will still see chances for, at least slight chances for showers and thunderstorms, but much of the area will stay pretty quiet and dry. And then Monday, chances area wide yet again, and Tuesday, just kind of area dependent as that system shifts through. High temperatures today, like I said, running several degrees below normal for this time of year, widespread mid 70s in the lower elevations, and 50s and 60s in the mid to high elevations. And wind gusts for this afternoon, pretty mild, generally maxing out about 15 miles per hour. Probability of lightning and precipitation this afternoon. So you can see the favored corridors generally in the Central Mountains for today, and then up to about a 20% chance elsewhere outside of the Eastern Magic Valley and Snake River Plain. And low temperatures tonight continuing to run very mild, so plenty of mid 40s in the lower elevations, and of course cooler, the 30s and 40s in the higher peaks. Temperatures for tomorrow, maybe a couple degrees cooler, but pretty similar to what we're expecting for today. Again, plenty of low to mid 70s in our valleys. And for wind gusts tomorrow afternoon, very similar yet again to what we're expecting today, maxing out around 15 to 20 miles per hour. Probability of lightning and precipitation for tomorrow, again, looking pretty similar to today, maybe a little bit increased chances further south and east along our borders with Utah, Nevada, and Wyoming. And low temperatures tomorrow night, fairly similar, slightly cooler potentially in the lower to mid 40s in our valleys. And high temperatures for Sunday. So we will start to see a little bit of a warm up as that transient ridge shifts overhead. This is our in-between day before that next low arrives. So pushing closer to normal for this time of year, but still probably just running a little bit shy. And wind gusts for Sunday afternoon, starting to get a little bit breezier ahead of that incoming system. So gusts pushing closer to around that 20 mile per hour range. And chance of precipitation Sunday. So this is during the afternoon time frame, during the day. I just wanted to show that it's going to be pretty quiet to start off the day, just slight chances along the northern extent of our CWA and the Central Mountains and Montana Divide region. But heading into the evening and nighttime hours, chances will start to increase and become more widespread as well as that system shifts inland. And low temperatures for Sunday night, fairly similar to the previous nights, running about mid 40s, maybe low 50s for some locations across the southern extent of the area. And looking ahead, our 6 to 10 day outlook, we're just then going to start to see the trend change, pushing into the later portion of September. We're going to see below normal precipitation start to be favored, maybe near normal to below normal. And then for the temperatures, this is the same as what I've been briefing the last few nights, but above normal temperatures favored for the 6 to 10 day outlook. So just to summarize, we're going to stay in that cool and unsettled pattern through at least Saturday. with isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms over the next couple days, and daytime highs running several degrees below normal. But then we're going to have another low reaching Idaho late Sunday into Monday. So Sunday will be a dry day for much of the area, but then going into the nighttime hours, we will see chances increase for showers and thunderstorms across a greater portion of the area. But on Sunday, temperatures are going to run a little bit warmer, a few degrees warmer, closer to around normal for this time of year. But that's not going to last very long. The cool and active pattern is going to resume Monday into Tuesday as that next system shifts inland. So thanks so much for listening. If you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and have a great Friday.